On the auspicious occasion of Mahakumbh and Maghi Purnima, the sacred Triveni Sangam where the holy rivers Ganga, Yamuna, and the invisible Saraswati converge overflowed with devotion as lakhs of devotees immersed themselves in its waters. This significant bathing festival marks not only the culmination of the Kalpavas, which has seen many seek spiritual rejuvenation over the past month, but also the unofficial conclusion of the revered Mahakumbh Mela taking place in the holy city of Prayagraj. While the festivities of the Kumbh will continue until Mahashivratri on 26th February, for many, Maghi Purnima serves as a pivotal moment of reflection, offering farewell to the spiritual fervor and communal bonds formed during this sacred gathering. Celebrated on the full moon day of the Shukla Paksh in the Magh month, Maghi Purnima is deeply embedded in Hindu tradition. The 10 cities and temporary homes built along the Sangam stand testament to the faith and discipline of the Kalpvasis, who have dedicated themselves to rituals and penance since Paush Purnima, culminating in the holy bath of Maghi Purnima. As they prepare to return to their respective homes, many carry with them not only the physical remnants of a month spent in devotion but also an enriched spirit, having participated in acts of charity and worship that resonate through the very fabric of Hindu belief. Swami Maheshashram, a respected figure in the Sanatan Dharma community, emphasizes the spiritual significance of this day, stating that the resolution of Kalpavas becomes fulfilled through acts of devotion during the Purnima. Rituals such as the donation of sesame seeds and rice symbolize the completion of vows and the blessings bestowed upon those who partake in them. As devotees bathe in the early morning hours, they do so with a keen awareness of the sacredness of the moment, invoking the blessings of Lord Vishnu, who is believed to reside in the Ganga on this auspicious day. The Maghi Purnima celebration also signals the closing of the Kalpavas ritual, where devotees engaged in significant penance on the sandy banks of Sangam. For a month, they lived a life of simplicity and spiritual focus, adhering to practiced austerities under the guidance of Tirtha Purohits. Their resolve saw them forsake comfort, sleeping on straw while immersing themselves in prayer and meditation, culminating in a deep sense of community and purpose. As they conclude their sojourn, Kalpvasis not only bring home prasad as a symbol of their dedication but also a commitment to return, spurred by the spiritual growth they experienced during their time at the Mela. The annual Magh Mela transforms the landscape of Prayagraj into a vibrant tapestry of faith and devotion. This tradition, rooted in ancient practices, harkens back to the days of yore when elaborate yajnas were performed on these banks. The Mahakumbh Mela stands as a significant juncture in this rich history, uniting millions in their quest for spiritual fulfillment and collective celebration. As security arrangements and administrative measures ensured that the event unfolded smoothly, it became clear that this gathering is more than just an event. It is a reaffirmation of faith, a moment of personal and communal reflection, and a celebration of life's endless spirituality intertwined with tradition.